So guys, you're working with HubSpot and it has been quite a lot of time and you have set up a lot of different types of forms, etc. in order to boost your marketing efforts. But one of the major pain points is the fact that a lot of time there are people who are trying to put in spam submissions in your forms in the form of HTML tags, etc. So there's a new property inside HubSpot which will help you counter the same. And today we are going to tell you all about this. So guys, one of the newer product updates for HubSpot is marking form submissions with HTML tags and contact name properties as spam. So in order to do this, firstly go to your HubSpot account and let's just see where you can see this feature. It's actually already live right now. But if you go to your product updates page over here, then in the product updates, search for form submission. So this is the whole thing. It's live now. You can mark form submissions with HTML tags and contact name properties as spam. So a lot of spammers, what they kind of try to do is try to push in some HTML tags inside their name section so as to get some links or something else. And these sort of spammy practices can easily be stopped now with this update. So now in order to see how would this work, we now go to form submissions, go to marketing inside HubSpot dashboard, click on forms. Here you can see we have different types of forms. Let's just see this in real time. In almost all of these forms, the spam submissions are 0. For example, this is this custom test form that we built a long time ago. So let's just submit something in this form with an HTML tag and see whether that counts as a spam submission or not. We go to the form page. Let me just fill this form with something custom. So meta. So I put in some custom HTML over here. Maybe I put in my email ID. So now this is something which I filled up with an HTML tag, and let's see whether this will count as a spam submission or not. So because of the fact that we set up in a previous video that somebody fills the form and if their email ID is known, then they would be redirected here. Let's see in the submission section for this form whether something has changed or not. So if we go to back to all forms, here we can see that in our custom test form, now we have one spam submission, which has a really nice check mark over here. If we click here, we can see that there is HTML and name field inside this form, and this was done by us just now. So now this property will help you filter more spam inside your forms inside HubSpot. So guys, did you find this new feature helpful or not? Do let us know about this in the comment section below. Feel free to reach out to us for a one-on-one consultation call in case you need our help in order to build a great HubSpot project of your dreams. And we are just one call away. You can book a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.